Can you use your Chime Credit Builder card if there's no money in your account? Let me break it down for you. And yes, it's a little tricky. Let's get into it. First off, the Chime Credit Builder card works a bit differently than a regular credit card. You can only spend the amount that's already loaded onto the card. So if there's no money loaded, technically, you can't use it like a traditional credit card. It's more like a secured card. You have to set aside funds in your Chime account, and that becomes your spending limit. But here's the catch. Sometimes you might see a charge go through even if your balance is low, like gas stations or hotels. That's because they pre-authorize an amount, which can make it look like you're spending more than you have. But once the final charge hits, it'll either clear if you have enough or get declined. Also, keep in mind, trying to overspend will likely fail and could cause headaches at checkout. So to actually use the Chime Credit Builder card, always make sure you've added money to your Credit Builder secured account first. If this helped you out, smash that like button and maybe drop a comment so I know you're all caught up. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick Chime tips. See you next time.